2-pack 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, 2 free SD cards, 2.1 megapixel resolution always brings you a clear live view of your home. IR night vision up to 33 feet. For extreme low light coverage, ensuring your high-quality view of your home even in the dark. Built-in microSD slot, we provide 2 free SD cards. Easy setup. Camera and app are easy to install, simple to control, and a breeze to maintain. Compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Not 5 GHz Wi-Fi, download app from App Store or Google Play. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. We have excellent customer service team to help you. Motion detection, two-way audio. A indoor home security camera with instant motion detection is necessary and important for our life. Ensuring you are only alerted when a person, and not a stray cat, approaches. Live streaming 24/7 with real-time motion. Smart customizable motion detection has intelligent motion alerts feature. You can receive message alerts on your phone. Listen and talk to family or pets with built-in anti-noise mic and speaker. Stylish, fit for most scenes, the camera can be installed anywhere such as the living room, kitchen, and office. It does not take up space at all but brings a real-time monitoring environment with a larger field of view. Cell with 2 cameras, you can use cameras in 2 rooms. US Server Cloud, privacy protection. This indoor security camera supports cloud storage and built-in microSD slot, 2 free SD cards. The server located in the US, the server can avoid the risk of losing video clips, ensure all your videos are safe and protected. No one could access to recorded videos in the camera without logging in your app account. You can also add your family member. Top reviews from the United States. First of all, I have to say that these indoor cameras are so easy to set up. I set one up while my 10-year-old did the other and they were up and working within minutes. As you can see from my pictures, the picture quality is really great. You can view your cameras with the app and there you can see what you are looking at as well as hear what's going on. Also, what I found to be fantastic, was that you can make search around the room to look around if needed right within the app, without moving your cameras. The night vision is pretty good as well. I am thinking over ordering a couple more of these for the house as I am so pleased with my purchase. Each camera comes with a SD card to insert in camera for memory, so no extra purchase is required.